So in this video, I will be sharing with you the exact strategy I've used to make $1,035 within 72 hours without spending a single cent on advertising whatsoever using the TikTok algorithm. Hi, how's it going? My name is Schnell, and on this YouTube channel I talk a lot about e-commerce, social media and marketing in general. So if you're interested in that, make sure to smash the subscribe button to don't miss out on any future videos. So as I just mentioned, in this video I will be sharing with you how I made roughly $1,000 in revenue using Shopify dropshipping and my viral TikTok dropshipping strategy. And I will be sharing with you the exact profit margin and the profit I've made from this $1,000 later in this video. So this exact case I'm going to share with you. I actually did almost 1 year ago. It was last year's December. But since then, I've tried this exact strategy 5 times already with other people, some of them being people I personally know who are interested in this topic, but also people from my paid consultation calls. I shared it with them and I tested it with them to see if this wasn't actually luck for me, but if this whole strategy actually works. And I can tell you right now, yes, there is some luck involved, but if you do everything right, this strategy can definitely work for you. So first of all, before we get into the details, in every single video I'm giving away a 30 minutes free consultation call with me. So if you want to win that, then watch to the end of this video, because there I will be sharing with you what you have to do to enter in the giveaway. And the winner of last week's video will be displayed right now. Congratulations, you won the free 30 minutes consultation call with me. Just DM me on Instagram so that we can schedule a call there. Alright, so before we hop onto my computer and I will share with you my presentation there, let's talk about the general strategy and who this is for. So the very general overview of the strategy is just basically dropshipping a product from China to the customer using Shopify dropshipping and using the organic TikTok algorithm. So we won't be using any influencers, we won't be using any paid advertising, we will just be posting content on the TikTok platform for absolutely free and doing it that way so that some people who view this product will actually purchase from your store. So there's no advertising cost required whatsoever. There is no personal following or anything like that required whatsoever. You can start with $0 on TikTok. You won't have to share your face or anything like that. So this is a really, really solid strategy to get the first couple of sales as a complete beginner, as a complete newbie to dropshipping. Of course, you will have to know how to do some basic product research and how to build a store using Shopify or in general any other e-commerce store maker of your choice. This strategy I'm going to mention is not a long-term solution for pros. So if you're already making a decent amount of money in dropshipping, this is not a strategy I would go with. This is mainly for absolutely bloody beginners or just for people who had a bad experience with paid advertising but who still want to keep going, and still want to try new strategies. Also, I've never seen anybody talking about this exact strategy on YouTube before. I mean, I haven't made any research about this or anything, but this is all from my personal experience. This is all from what I did and what I did with the other people I tested this strategy with. So this is some very, very new and hopefully insightful knowledge and insightful strategy that you can use to get started with dropshipping. Alright, so we are now on my computer, and as you can see, I have this short presentation prepared for you, how I made $1,035 in 72 hours with a $0 advertising budget, my viral TikTok dropshipping strategy. So first of all, I will be sharing with you what I did back then 1 year ago when I first discovered this whole strategy. And second of all, I'll be sharing with you what you have to do to use the strategy for yourself successfully as well. So if we hop right into it, let's talk about the product. So first of all, when I used this strategy, I sold 2 main products in many different styles. This product wasn't sold in stores whatsoever, and there also weren't a lot of other e-commerce stores selling this exact product. So this is the first thing that you have to keep in mind. No matter which marketing strategy you will be using, it is always good if your product isn't sold in any physical stores, and of course if there's less competition, then it's better for you as long as the product actually sells. Next, the product could not be advertised on Facebook because it was a risky product. So I won't get into the exact product. First of all, mainly because of this reason, because it was quite a risky product, and I don't want to share it on this channel because I don't want you guys to duplicate this and use a similar product like this, because it's just kind of risky. This is also the reason why I didn't go ahead in the first place and used Facebook ads, just because the chance that my Facebook ad account wouldn't allow me to advertise this product would have been very high. The product I have sold didn't even solve a problem, it just looks cool. As you know, you have to solve a problem to make some money, and this product didn't solve an actual problem, but of course everything that sells solves some kind of problem. In that case, it was like more in the mind of the customer. As we can see right here, the product is in the hypebeast and fashion niche. So a lot of times in the fashion niche, of course, an expensive designer clothing piece doesn't solve an actual problem. A cheap sweater would do the same job, but it solves a problem in the mindset of the customer. For example, if you wear an expensive brand, the quality or anything like that isn't necessarily better than a cheap product, but from the status and from the mindset of the customer, it solves another problem, just giving them a higher status or just making them feel better. So this was one of these products that didn't solve an actual problem, just a problem in the mind of the customer, if you know what I mean. Then I found this product on IG, on Instagram. This was more, I didn't do any product research or that. I just scrolled through Instagram, through the discovery page, and saw a lot of theme pages selling this product. So this is the reason why I choose it, because I personally really liked it. I purchased it for myself as well. The sales price of the product was $19 to $24.99. So as I said, I had 2 main products. One was $19.99, another one was $24.99. Let's talk about the supplier. My supplier, I found him by just searching on AliExpress. There weren't too many people selling this product on AliExpress, but I basically just typed in the name of the product in AliExpress and I found this guy. I contacted him and he actually gave me his WhatsApp phone number. I still have contact to this guy. I still use him sometimes because he also sells other products. He isn't actually the best supplier out there, but for that product he was the best I could find. He provided me with a VIP link, you know, the links that are only for special dropshippers. I hadn't any contact with him before. I just contacted him and he sent me a link, which is pretty nice in my opinion. You know, it's not always like that the supplier gives some stranger a VIP link. And the product price was $5 to $8. Shipping from China was 20 to 30 days delivery, which is of course not the best, but it is the best I could find for this product when delivering from China directly to the customer. Now let's talk about the marketing part, which is the most important part about this video. So first of all, as I said before, the product would have been too risky to advertise on Facebook, and this is the reason why I didn't do it. The product was perfect for TikTok because of the target audience. So as I said before, the product was in the fashion and hypebeast niche, and a lot of people who use TikTok are also into fashion or hypebeast. So there was a very good match between my perfect customer and a huge audience on TikTok. So this is the reason why I even advertised it on TikTok. So this is something that you have to keep in mind if you follow along with this strategy, that your product has to have a target audience that also fits very well on TikTok. For example, fashion. There are a lot of fashion influencers, a lot of people who use TikTok regularly, are also somewhat interested in fashion. So a fashion product, these necklaces or anything like that, this stuff works good on TikTok, no matter if you're doing it organically or using influencers. Next, my product had a very high virality factor. So what does it mean? You just can't sell a pen or anything like that. Of course, it's an extreme example, but your product has to have some kind of wow factor. Again, it doesn't have to solve an actual problem, but it just should be that if someone sees a video of the product, they should think like, wow, what is this? I want to learn more about this product. This product shouldn't be accessible everywhere. It should be something new, something people haven't seen before, something special, just something that stops people from scrolling and that catches their interest in the first second of seeing the product. This is also important what I didn't wrote in this presentation. Your product shouldn't be complex, because on TikTok, the videos are like between 10 and 60 seconds, so the attention span is even lower than normally. So just make sure the product is very easy, has a wow and virality factor to sell good on TikTok. Next, this whole thing I did 1 year ago was more of an experiment because I liked the product, but I didn't want to risk it to advertise it on Facebook. So this is the reason why I thought, well, you know what, on TikTok you can get viral pretty easily. Why just not try to upload some videos on TikTok? And even the first videos got some traction, and after I realized the potential of this whole strategy, I tested more and more. And on this account, I still have it today. By the way, I will pop screenshots of sales and followers and all of that on the video so that you have proof and everything. So you know I'm not, I don't know, telling some bullshit or anything. So on this account, right now, I have something around 80,000 followers just from promoting this product, which is insane. I literally just posted some product videos of the product. One video got like 5 or 6 million views. The other ones got like 3, 4, 500,000 views, which is insane. So this is something very important about the strategy. If you have a product that has a wow factor, that is viral, that a lot of people on TikTok would consider purchasing, and you upload 10, 20, 30 videos, different videos that fit into the organic TikTok video, then there's a very high chance that one of your videos will go viral and that you will get some sales with something like that. But now let's go into the details about the viral TikTok strategy. But before we can do that, something I have to explain is that this strategy is just, in my opinion, the perfect strategy for beginners, because there's just no risk involved. Because again, there's no risk involved, there's no money involved, and you can still get a couple hundred, a couple thousands in sales to kickstart your success and to keep going and to keep growing. All right, so let's go into the detail of the viral TikTok strategy. Again, you need a viral product. I explained it before as well, but this is essential. You need a viral product. Next, I already told it as well, your target audience should match with the TikTok audience. Without that, it just doesn't work. Next, you will need multiple tries. So back then when I did it, my like 10th video or like 15th video went viral and got like 5 million views or anything like that. Again, screenshots will be on the screen. So I was more or less lucky back then. But for the people I've tested it, it can happen that you have to post 30, 50 videos, sometimes like the same video 5 times straight after each other, and it's just a matter of time until one catches off and goes viral, and all your other videos will get a lot more views as well. So you will need multiple tries. This can happen within a week, but it can also happen within a month. Be prepared that you can't just upload one video and will go viral straight away. Another thing is, which I didn't mention specifically in this presentation, is the product shouldn't be above 25 bucks. So as I said before, my product was 20 or 25 US dollars, and you honestly shouldn't go above it, because first of all, the audience on TikTok is young, which means they don't have too much money, and secondly, it's very hard to get people from TikTok who just are scrolling through the feed to convert through an organic video. So just make sure that your product is a lower ticket product. I would recommend you to stay below $25 or maybe $30 so that you can have the best results. This strategy is good for beginners, and which is also very important, this whole thing is just not a long-term solution. For this video specifically, you can't get one viral video after another unless you're like an influencer, but then this is a whole nother story. So as a product page on TikTok, you can't just get thousands of viral products. It will be more of a one-time opportunity for you. So this should not be your long-term solution. This is for beginners who don't have money to spend, who want to get started. First of all, the strategy is good to get some data. So if you have your Facebook pixel installed and you get like, let's say 50 sales or anything like that from the strategy, or even 10, but a lot of page views, you can create lookalike audiences. Or if the data is not enough for lookalike audiences, your Facebook pixel has still some data to play with. So this is also a very good thing about the strategy, but more importantly, you will get some money to spend. So if you do the strategy and it works out for you, let's say you have 300-500 euros after the strategy to spend. This is a perfect starting point to get started with influencer marketing. So now we're almost finished with this video, but this was a very general overview of the strategy, and I want to give you some tips that you can implement right now to get started with this strategy. By the way, if you're interested in more details, of course, I can do a more detailed video where I show you examples, where I show you some products that you could sell, etc. Then make sure to leave it down in the comment section below and to like this video so that I know if you're even interested in that. But one little trick I used, which was very, very crucial for the success of this, and which everyone who had success with this strategy also did, is you just can't hard sell on TikTok. You can't just make a video and in the caption write, "Go buy this right now at." This just doesn't work. What you have to do is you have to go a more subtle way. So just write an organic caption, and in the comment section, write a comment, "Got this product from there," or anything like that. Or something like "product link in my bio," or anything like that. So just don't hard sell right in the caption or even on the video itself. Just write it down and it will perform way better. Also, what was very crucial for the success of this strategy is to tell people to engage and to do a giveaway. Honestly, it doesn't matter if the giveaway is real or not. Of course, you should do a real giveaway and stuff like that, but just write down in the caption, share this with 3 friends or like follow, and we will be giving away 5 products to people who followed or commented or anything like that. So just make them engage, because this is good for the TikTok algorithm. I'm actually running out of time because I have a meeting in actually 2 minutes. So this wraps up the video for today. If you want to win the free 30 minutes consultation call with me, where we can talk about e-commerce, dropshipping, marketing, social media, or anything of that matter, then the 3 steps you have to take is, first of all, like this video. Second, write down in the comment section #ecom. And third, make sure to subscribe to this channel and to enable the notification bell, because I will be announcing the lucky winner in next week's video. And so that you don't miss that, you have to subscribe and enable the notification bell. Alright, this was it for me today, guys. I hope, again, it was informative. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, or to DM me on Instagram. I answer to every question there as well. This is it for me today. Take care.